Today I'm going to be doing the gas line. Only need gas for the stove, the cook stove, which I don't know if we're going to have a gas stove or not. It's probably going to be electric, we'll see. Gas fireplace for whenever I box it in and frame it out and everything. We're going to get an insert. I want to buy the insert before I frame it out so I know exactly how to frame it out, the size. But it'll be a gas fireplace, and then the tankless water heater will also be gas. Had them check it. The gas company, they wanted me to run a little diagram of how I was going to do my gas line. They told me 1/2 inch for the stove, 1/2 inch for the fireplace, 3/4 inch for the tankless water heater. The main reason I don't have to go any bigger than 3/4, sufficient for the water heater, but I'm not pushing more than 80 foot. He said if I was pushing more than 80 foot, then I would need to go up to like a 1 inch line, depending on how far it was. It's only 43 foot inside, then another 6 foot outside where the regulator is going to be. Maybe not even that much where the regulator is going to be. Just depends on where they exactly want to put it. I've got it set up where they have a couple of spots they can do. 3/4, 3/4, 1/2 inch. 1/2 inch is going to be pointing towards the fireplace. 3/4 right here will be pointing towards the bathroom for the hot water heater. The pipe I just put in that was running up and down the wall was for the kitchen stove. That was a 1/2 inch. And done put a coupling on this. Done pipe doped it up. See if I can't get it to thread. There it goes. This is a utility room that we're going to be putting the tankless hot water heater in. Don't know if you can see it in the camera, but right there I done drilled into the 2x that runs across the top plate there. It's kind of hard to get up there and do it and show it on camera. And I've also done made this off camera. My line comes in, will 90 into this. My 90's already on there also. I'll turn this where it'll stick through the wall. This is where my valve will go. This part is for trash to fall down into. That way, if the pipe gets any rust or any kind of dirt or whatever could be in the propane and the gas line, whether it's natural gas or whatever, you need a trap to catch dirt. That way, it don't go into whatever your stove, your fireplace, your hot water heater, your furnace for your AC or your heating system, whatever. It helps keep trash out. Keeps from clogging up any orifices or anything like this. But anyways, I'm gonna pop this up there, put it in. That will have, other than the valve, putting the valve on, I do have a valve for it. Other than that, that will have the hot water side done. The stove is just about done because I ran the pipe. Actually, this is another day. I quit working last night. But anyways, the stove, from what I ran yesterday, it don't like much from being done. I got to put a 90 on there, and that's pretty much it, really. There ain't much to do to it. A little bit left on the fireplace. But anyways, I'm going to get up there, put this on there, then we'll go from there. Got my dirt trap. Put it on there. Then I'm just going to run right over to the stove. I will eventually cut this out, the foam and behind here. I don't want to do it yet just in case I decide to change something up. I doubt I will. This is just a simple, easy way of doing it. The reason I came down and then went across, it kept me from going over any of my wiring. I didn't want to do that. A 10-foot stick worked out real good to do it this way. My 3/4 inch come down with 8 foot, then shot across, or it was 8 foot. Anyways, then shot across, and then that just worked out real good. It'll line up good with the stove. The valve works in a good spot. Like I said, I'll cut this out, and all I'll do is score it with a knife all the way down to the concrete. Then I'll just take a screwdriver and pop it loose. It'll pop loose at that point in time. The only problem I might have is right here is where there is a rib that you anchor stuff to. That might cause me a little bit of trouble, but nothing you can't get around, even if I had to put it on the outside and strap it down. I did buy some plastic strap for it. It still wouldn't hurt anything. There'll be cabinets over that. Alright. I'm going to start on the fireplace. Thought I was recording. Apparently I wasn't. Got this on, got the valve on. This is the last of everything. Worked out really good. I measured everything. I went to the store. I don't have a pipe threader. So I just had them. I had it all cut there and threaded. Apparently I did my measurements right, which I'm really surprised. Everything worked out real good. Got to buy a cap. For some reason I picked up a 3/4 inch cap. I guess because I was going to do a 3/4 inch trap over there on the water heater, and decided to do a 1/2 inch for whatever reason. I'd probably price. It was probably a couple of bucks cheaper. Anyways, so I still had that 3/4 inch cap. I got to return it. I did buy another 5 foot of stick that I don't need. I was thinking of a different way of running it, just in case I did. I was going to use it. Come to find out, I decided to do it this way. Come straight down, right where I want it. That's about it. If you would, like, subscribe, share it with somebody that might be interested. Stay healthy and God bless.